I mean, this is the thing about the Steam Deck too. It's really cool, but you have to fiddle with it a little bit, right? It is a PC. It's not like the Nintendo Switch. They don't have. It's not nerfed. So it says updates complete, so that's good. But I think we did this last time. Let's go back to what was that menu? Was it this? Nope. That's that. This is for our menu. I don't remember how to get to where we were. Okay, I'm noticing there that having a little bit of an issue with the touch screen. I have to hit it a little bit harder. Just trying to get used to it. Check for updates. Hopefully now it says we're up to date. Okay, we are up to date. So that's very good. Let's go back to the internet. Are we still going to be connected? It's searching all of a sudden. So my guess is that it's not. Even with this update, it still doesn't like WPA2. That's not us. Oh, did they fix it? Okay, so that's awesome. So WPA2 does work. It was just in earlier BIOS version and SteamOS version where it did not work. So that is totally fixed. Good to know. All you had to do was turn your security off, update your Steam Deck, and then you can turn your security back on your router and you can connect to WPA2 just fine. So that's really good to know. Let's go through here because this is new to me. General settings, English, battery percentage. Yeah, let's see the battery percentage in the header. So we're at 99%. That's cool. 24-hour clock. Yeah, I'm kind of partial to the 24-hour. Let's use the D-pad. I like this. Updates, we did that. OS update channel, we're on the stable. I guess there's probably a beta. Yep, beta channel. Don't really want to do that. I prefer to stick with stable. Just, peace of mind. Developer mode. That's really cool that they have developer mode. I'm not sure exactly what that does. It probably unlocks different things in the OS, maybe I imagine, or maybe with the Steam app itself. You can format your SD card here. Pretty cool. I can change my host name. Yeah, I'll mess around with things like this later on once I have some more time to myself. Lots of information here about the OS, the code name, the variant, the version. I'm on 3.1 looks like. The build was April 25th. Not sure what .2 means. There's our kernel version because of course we're on Linux. Steam Deck controller firmware build date, April 21. Apparently we have Steam Deck rewards. This is a distraction, but let's check that out. Depending on the model of your Steam Deck, you can claim different rewards, such as Steam Community Profile Bundle or a virtual keyboard theme. Rewards may be redeemed once per Steam Deck device. So yeah, claim rewards. That sounds cool. Success. You can find your new Steam community items in your Steam inventory. You can select your Steam Deck keyboard theme under Keyboard section under Settings. Yeah, let's check out the keyboard. That sounds cool. What themes do I have? Night Shift. Do we get to... Oh yeah, we get to... Oh, that's cool. Neon. Candy Coated. This looks like Mac stuff. Not a huge fan. Steam Green. Okay. Let's stick with the default for now. I'm sure in the point shop they have some cool things. Let's see how to change your keyboard by going to the point shop. How do we close this? Close that keyboard. Digital green spectrum, totally tubular. Great. Some colors. I think, yeah, I have a lot of points. So what one should we get? The rainbow one is really cool. That one's really cool too. I might pick both those up actually, but for now, let's keep searching through here. Notification settings, lots of different things there. Display, your brightness, enable adaptive brightness. I actually really don't like adaptive brightness. You know, it might be convenient for you when you go outside or whatever, but I've never been a fan of it. I always turn it off on my phone. I like having the control of the slider. The brightness, some people, I think it was a 400 nit display. Plenty fine if you're inside. If you're trying to game out in the sun, obviously that's not going to work very well for you, especially if you have a glossy screen. But I'm not going to be doing that, so it's all good. Night mode, that's really cool that they have a night mode setting. I assume that's going to get rid of the blue hues in the screen. Can dim the display. Lots of really cool stuff there. Audio, you can play with your audio volume settings, your microphone. That's really cool. I'm going to play around with my SteelSeries Arctic 5 headset and see if I can get the microphone working in that. UI sounds, yep, I like the UI sounds for now. Bluetooth stuff, if you have a Bluetooth headset, that'd work. Or controller, of course. I do have two of these, so I'm going to be pairing these at some point in the future. Another video will show you how to do that. We're back at the keyboard. Friends and chat, downloads, your family settings, which I have on right now. Remote play, that's really cool. Storage settings, lots of space free, which makes sense because there's nothing installed on here yet. Home, and of course, the thing that really is important is your library. So let's go to my library, and so this is cool. Everything that it's showing right now are on my home screen, my library home screen, is a verified game. So definitely, I mean, this is the Steam Deck. Let's install Portal, the original Portal. See how long this takes.